face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hello everyone, this is Burn Beauty 2018. I was so honored as to have Urban Decay gift me 2 of their new concealers. 2 because I need a light and a dark to contour with. Of course, they sent me a lovely note, lovely box from Urban Decay. I just got it yesterday, so I'm trying it out today. I want to wear it every day until it actually drops, so that I can see how it feels, how it wears, how I like it, so I can give another review later. So the 2 colors that I chose, this is 40 in because I am a neutral, and it's 40 in. Notice it doesn't really look like the bottom of the box. And then I got 70 double in, which doesn't really look like the box. But these are going to be 2 great colors for me. This one is kind of closer to my skin. But if that's the case, that's my fault for picking the wrong color. But, you know, it's kind of a learning curve when you first start out. This concealer is called Stay Naked Quickie. Up to 24-hour wear multi-use concealer by Urban Decay. So Stay Naked Quickie, or as we say in the South, Stay Naked Quickie. Stay naked. Favorite thing about this? Well, other than the fact that they are huge compared to other concealers, it's on top. This is a brush. That's why it's Quickie. You can just, I'm going to put it on. Let's see what happens. Let's see how quickie it is. I've got my foundation on. I'm going to drop some in here. Got some up here. Of course, I'm a burn survivor, so my experience might not be as quickie as yours. But you know, that not even doing it the same on each eye. But you know, it is what it is. I still think that having the brush right on here is amazing. I always clean my brushes after use with the NYX spray brush cleaner. You guys see me do it all the time because I think it's really important for survivors who need to avoid any infection. So I think that's just super duper important for us. And I think that because of the way this is, I'm just going to put the top on it, tap it out with this lovely little brush. Both the product and, actually I want to let it sit a few seconds and thicken up. And that helps it give a really opaque look, and it appears, you get a lot more contrast in your contour. Did I say already that both the product and the brush are vegan? How cool is that? I love all the brushes soft. Oh, and it is right for tapping out and blending. Oh, it is right, y'all. Where has this brush been all my life for doing my concealer? I see why they call it Quickie. It blends very, very nicely. And, you know, I've got to take some time and do it right, but it's blending in there so quickly. Boom, and your brush. I really enjoyed that whole little thing I just did right there. I'm not sure that I ordered this one dark enough. I'm sorry, Urban Decay. I thought it was dark enough. Oh, it's a nice color. It's kind of the color of me, but I always do my contour. I think because of being a burn survivor, I feel like I need to be very heavily contoured. So I always do my contour with the concealer, and then I put some setting powder, and I come back with some other contour, just a little, because it really makes a difference. And the face is grafted and the skin is nice and it looks good, but I lack a lot of depth where I used to have depth, if that makes sense. This is 70 NN on me, if you're wondering, and it's kind of the color of me, which is really nice. So I think I will use it as my under eye concealer and then come back with the 40 NN and use it as my light and bright concealer because it's really so pretty and bright. More so than I expected. Look how quick. This is why they call it Quickie. I feel like I made it. I'm enjoying it so much. Oh, that's funny. I'm enjoying the Quickie. All right. Well, this is the new product. I don't know when it's dropping. Nose. Oh, this is a perfect little brush for down the nose and in here in the eye socket. It's just, the brush is so soft. Now I'll admit that I'm not vegan and I have a brush. Oh, look at my nose. Ooh, I have a mix of vegan brushes and real brushes. And that might be the prettiest my nose has ever looked on the first contour. So this definitely gets 2 thumbs up from me, not just because they sent it to me, but because I am obsessed at the size of this product. The biggest you're going to get is about this big. I'm trying not to show the product, but look. The biggest you're going to get is about half, maybe it's half the size of this. I don't know what it costs. I don't know when they're dropping it. I'm excited to see because I want to get one more for myself. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful concealer. And it is so easy to put on and blend. This is the easiest you're ever going to contour your face. I promise you. That's why I'm going to get a darker color. And I may, looking at my nose the way it is right now, I may just completely stop using the other contour that I use because I don't see any need. And y'all know, I mean, my nose might not look perfect to y'all, but I don't have very much nose at all. So when I'm doing this, it's really amazing to me to see it look this way so easily. So I really love it. Can't wait to all. And please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, do everything you can, and help this sister out. I want people to see me. I want people that need to see me to see me. People who are wondering what they're going to do next. I want them to see me. So like, shares, and definitely subscribe. And remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass. And I love you. I am Burn Beauty 2018.